Alright, to find your settings of your Hikvision DS, go to Settings, click on the Settings icon there. Then you go to Device Information. Once you click on Device Information, you're going to get the version, which is the firmware build version. So once you do an update, that's where you can see that version number. That's your model number, of course, and then your serial number. So that's how you can see for that. To update your device, go to the configuration, type in the default password, 38s, 39s, hit OK. And then you're going to go down the little circle icon here, and you're going to do upgrade. And then system will reboot after upgrade, and it's going to, as long as this is connected to the internet, it should reach out to their servers to see what firmware version's out there and do a firmware update. To get the IP address of the unit, you click on the globe. You can see the DNS, the gateway, subnet mask, everything there. This shows you the interstation type, the room name. You can set up the wizard there. And then this is just the device management for that unit, and you can search for other units on the same network. And that's about it.